Welcome to my channel Learn Machine Design. Today we will discuss on how to draw hexagonal nut. To draw this nut, there are some instruments called compass and pencil, especially 2H pencil and HB pencil, mini drafter and circle template and scale and drawing sheet here. And how to draw this, we will discuss in this session. And before that, we will understand this nut, how this is. The nut view is here. Nut looks like in one side it is a hex like this, and the function of this nut is to fashion plate 1, plate 2. And the parameters of this nut is, one of the important parameter is nut size. Normally, bore size of the nut is called nut size, and specification of the nut is specified in this nut size only. For this drawing purpose, I am going to take nut size as 24, and based on this nut size, we have to arrive remaining parameters. And remaining parameters to arrive, there are some calculations here. I am going to explain this, how these remaining parameters are achieved. The nut size given is 24, and across the plate dimension, that means this. For that, there are some formulas here. That W is equal to 1.5 D plus 3 for the nut size of above the 12 millimeter. Below the nut size of 12 millimeter, we have to take this formula. In our case, this is M24. That's why I am taking this as a formula, and taking this, the size will come 39. And radius of the chamfer, and this radius of the chamfer is, the size is R is equal to 1.5 D. Considering this 24, the radius of the chamfer will come 36 millimeter, and thickness of the nut is also one of the important parameter. Normally, it is thickness is equal to nut size, that is 24 mm. And drawing of this, I have taken this drawing scale as 5.5:1. That means 1 millimeter distance is considered as 5 millimeter for drawing purpose. That is the reason I have 24 millimeter multiplying by 5 millimeter, that will become 120 millimeter. All this color is the actual size of this drawing, but for your purpose, you can take this only for your drawing purpose. And I will show it how to draw this. First, we have to take and fix this mini drafter like this. To fix this mini drafter, there are some skills, and after fitting this, and we have to check this like this, and this should be parallel to this. Such a way we have to fix this. Then this scale and a small, this should be, this 0 in this line should be same. Such a way you have to tight it. See, like this. And confirm that this mini drafter is fixed properly, and this also to be tightened properly, and this also to be tightened properly, and should be aligned. And paper should be placed on the drawing such a way that, and this should be parallel. See, like that we have to fix it. And after fixing this, we have to draw the nut. The first we have to draw is two lines. One is horizontal line like this, and this is a construction line. For your purpose, I will tell you, you have to use 2H pencil for this purpose and draw like this. So this is the horizontal line. Similar way, we have to write even vertical line also like this. So horizontal line is ready now, vertical line ready now. So we have to write a circle. First important thing is write the circle. What is the circle? Circle is equivalent to the across the flat dimension. Across the flat dimension is how much? 39. So what we have to do? 39 circle I have to draw it. For my purpose, it is 39 is equal to 195 mm. See, we should very carefully draw it, and so across the flat circle is now drawn. Very next work is you have to take this mini drafter and turn this mini drafter to 30 degree. And tight it. What you have to do? Then you one line is ready. Then take the same mini drafter, come to here, draw here like this. Now we have nut two faces identified. Then we have to turn this and like this, like this, like this, 30 degrees this side. Use this scale again. Try. Then take this again mini draft here, this side also, without disturbing the scale, and make a line just touching to this circle. So ready. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is ready now. Take this mini drafter and make it to 0. And confirm that it is 0. Then like this, you have to recheck it and earlier drawn line. Then take this mini drafter to here. Draw like this. And the same style we have to draw in the bottom line also. Now nut front face is ready and having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Then one more thing, important thing we have to draw is nut bore diameter. Nut bore diameter, that is nominal diameter of the nut, is here 24 mm. For my case it is 120 mm. and I will draw it 120 mm. Now normally nut size circle will draw with open-ended condition. That means see nut size 24. 24 circle should be drawn like it open, and it is the standard method of writing the thread style. Afterwards, what we have to do is in the root circle also we should draw it. That means this circle. Now we have drawn this circle and we have to draw this circle. For that, what is the formula is 3/4 into D. D is 24. Here the actual size is 80. For this drawing purpose, we have to take the 90. So 90 dia circle I have to draw it. Okay, my one of the important view is ready. Now it is in this side view is ready. See here 6 space and this internal thread dimension and this circle. This is ready. This is drawn. This is drawn. This is drawn. Okay. By taking this as a reference, what we have to do is we have to use this mini draft and again recheck it. My mini draft is firmly and accurately set or not, and recheck it. Take this 1, 2, 3, 4 in the top side and project it. See, like this. One line is ready. This same line and this corner is into the end of the nut. Similar way, we have to draw this side also. And this point also. And the center line should be extended to this side also. Now, the area required for this to draw this, we know it now, and we have to draw one line here, that too like this. Okay, and this is bottom line of the nut, and we have to draw a top line of the nut, and for that we have to consider the thickness. For the thickness of the nut is 24, but I have to draw 120 here because I have taken the 5:1 is my scale. 1:, see here. So bottom line of the nut is ready, top line of the nut is ready, and the remaining thing is I have to draw the radius, because this is having some radius here. How to draw the radius now? For that, the radius of this nut is for having, we have one formula called radius of the chamfer is equal to 1.5 into D, that is equal to 36. For this case it is 180 mm. What I have to do is, I have to take this compass and fix this to 180 millimeter, and for the marking purpose I will fix like this, and for 180 mark like this. And what I have to do is take this as a point, one line is ready. The similar way we have to draw this side line also. For that, what you have to do is fix like this and draw like this. Got this line, reverse this compass and take this as reference and draw like this. That means two radius is ready. Then we have to draw this radius also. For that, there are some skills to draw. Take this mini drafter and use this as a point and draw this and draw this, and we have got this line should be extended to like this, because we have a line here and mark like this. We have to extend this line to here. I have drawn this line dark only because this is one of the corner of this nut, and this also to be drawn. See, this line should be extended to here, drawn like this, and this also should be extended to here, drawn like this. So the nut, another view is almost ready. Only left out is now radius here, radius here, radius here, and this also to be made dark only. I will overwrite this on like this. Okay, now ready. So this is ready, and this is should be drawn. To draw this, take this radius. For the small circle and done, we can use the circle template. Here I will show it how to draw, use this compass. What we have to draw is, we have to make the line for construction purpose like this. and we have to divide this line by means of any methods. I will use this one of the compass method only to divide this line. You have to take like this and put the pointer here, and this is the pointer, and draw like this. This side also draw like this. Take another side, draw like this, draw like this. Then you have to ready. So from here to here we have made this line and made this as a point. Then take this mini drafter, rotate, and from this point to this point we have to draw one line. For construction on line only, and should be use 2H pencil and drawn as a construction. I have drawn it now. We have to, from here to here, again we have to draw, divide it by using the same method. We can use the compass method only, or use any other techniques. Take like this, put the compass here, like this, take another side, take like this, draw like this. We have got two lines now. Then this also a construction line. Use 2H pencil only, and you have to got this line now, and it should be extended to here. And drawing this and drawing this, we have got this point. That this is the point of radius for this circle and this radius. And use this as a point, draw a radius here. I will show it how to do it. Take again a compass, use this and set to here, and do like this, draw like this. That means we are able to draw one of the important and difficult circle here by using the line dividing methods. This is one of the line divided here, again drawn it here and divided through compass dividing method, got this point, then drawn here. The similar technique we have to use it here also. How I can easily pass on? We have a drafter. Again drafter set correctly. Use this point and transfer it here. Because this and this are similar, not necessary to repeat all this exercise here also. Just got this line. Okay. Again, you use the same compass with the same radius. Suppose we have got this point. Whatever the point is required, got it. Use the same. Draw like this. So this radius is now ready. This is ready. For your drawing purpose, you can use even circle template also. Similar way, this should be shifted in the bottom side also. How I can do it is from here to here, how much is there? Same thing we have to put it here. So what we have to do? Take this and like this, The similar way, reverse it compass, mark it here. While marking, you mark it here also. Again reverse it. Drawing. So one more circle is ready. And take the same thing, same circle, and take here. Okay, see, bottom radius also ready, top radius is also ready. For that we have used some dividing technique and use this compass. Okay, looks like this now. And on what way we can training is, for this view is, we have to write the line up, this line and this line and this line. For that what we have to do is check again the accuracy of this drafter. Take the drafter here and take this as a point. See, again it is a drafting line. Like this, and this is inside line, make it dotted line. Normally not appear line should be drawn dotted only. This is dotted line, and this represents the outer circle of the nut bore. Again we have to take this inner circle, take this and take this up to top and draw it again, here again a dotted line. These two represent the thread of this bore, and this is ready. Similar way we have to draw this side also and take the similar technique of again it should be a dotted line here. Again it should be extended. Okay, one of the important view, top view is ready, front view is also ready. How the front view is, so all the lines are ready. Then we have to write another view, side view, taking this as a reference. Not one side we will see 1, 2, 3 face, another side we will see only 2 face. How to draw it is very important. For that what we have to do is turn this mini drafter to 45 degree. Then you have to draw one 45 degree line here, that to a construction line. Normally construction lines are drawn with dotted lines, and use 2H pencil. So now 45 degree line is ready, and taking this hexagonal side as a reference, again we have to draw, take mini drafter to the original position, take again, inspect my mini drafter is fixed correctly, otherwise error will come, and it should be pakka, and check it and transfer the line to this 45 degree line. And again it is a construction line only. Use 2H pencil and do it. Bottom line and top line both you have to extend it like this. Now ready. And for this inside nut also, same thing, whatever fashion we have done it here, similar way we have to extend this side also. And bore size also. Now ready. 1, 2, 3, 3. In the bottom side also similar fashion we have to do it. While drawing, some error will come, but definitely we have to adjust something, because this error is because of our scaling error or some writing error. Some error